Hello everyone, I am Pravalika from CSCD and today I am going to explain about the types of computers and the different generations of computers what we have present up to now will be discussed in this video clearly. First of all, we will discuss about the types of computers. We have different types of computers, and the first of all, the computer what we know is personal computers or the desktop computers. These type of computers are majorly seen in schools, colleges, workplaces, etc. And the input output devices of these computers like keyboard, mouse, CPU all are arranged on a desk. So the reason we call these as the desktop computers, and also these are called as the personal computers. These are the computers what we have majorly used in schools. And the notebook computer. Notebook computer is also known as the familiarly known as the laptops. So we have the laptops. In those laptops, input and output devices are not arranged outside, not arranged on desktops. These are arranged. These are arranged inbuilt. Means these devices are present in the computers. Mean in the devices. So these are the compact version of desktop computers, because desktop computer will have all the devices will be arranged outside, but these will have the all the input and output devices as the inbuilt. No separate devices are placed on any desk, and these are easy to carry and these are very useful for the offices. And workstation computers, these are like personal computers. In terms of size, the desktop and workstation are similar, but the computational power of workstation is more than the personal computers. These are used in engineering applications. Enterprise computers, these are having more computational power than workstation computers, but these are used in business database processing. Supercomputers. Beyond enterprise system, there is another high computational power system which is known as a super system. These are useful in aircraft designing, weather forecasting, and etc. Server. It consists of a database to store requests and responses from the users, and the server is dedicated to workplace like schools, colleges, etc. These are the types of computers what we have discussed. First one is personal computer, second one is notebook computers, third one is enterprise computers, and we have another one what workstation computers and supercomputers and servers. These are the types of computers what we have present, and we will know about the generations of computer. And the first generation. In the first generation, what the computers we used and what are those CPU, computational power, and what is the RAM, everything will be discussed. First generation period is from 1946 to 1954, and the concept of stored program was introduced by John Van Neumann, and used language was assembly language and later translated to machine understandable language for execution. The vacuum tube technology was introduced in first generation. These are the one which are large in size. Okay, large in size. So the factors affecting is this size is large, power consumption is more, and computational power is less. In this generation, vacuum tubes are used as CPU components, and Mercury delay line was the first memory used in first generation, and later magnetic core, magnetic tape are used as memory. The I/O units of first generation were like typewriters. So example of the first generation is ENIAC, electronic, numeric and integrating calculator. And second generation, this lasts from 1955 to 1965, and transistor technology was used in second generation. They were used magnetic core, and magnetic drum storage as memory, and IBM was first manufacturing computer in second generation. They use high language like Fortran. The compiler concept was also introduced in second generation to convert high level language to low level language, and assembly to machine understandable language. The IO devices in second generation were separate IO units to increase the speed, and the third generation lasts from 1965 to 1974. In this, the technology used is IC technology, means integrated circuit. Integrated circuits are nothing but fabricating hundreds of transistors on a single chip. This ICs replace transistor as CPU components. The memory used is cake virtual pipelining parallelism. In this technology also uses separate IO devices to increase speed. High level language is used. Example, IBM PTP computers were widely used in third generation. Computation power is directly proportional to efficiency and speed. How much computational power it has, that much efficient it works, that much speedily it gives the outputs. Fourth generation, 1974 to up to present. In this, we use VLSI technology, means very large scale integration. The Intel, Motorola, etc. are used as processors. Primary memory used is cake virtual memory. Secondary memory used is magnetic disk, optical disk, hard disk. High level language is used. Example, workstation computers, enterprise. What we have discussed in the types of computers are the fourth generation or the present working computers. And fifth generation, it's going to become in the future, and the technology which we use is ULSI, means ultra large scale integration. It also contains a separate inputs and input devices to increase the speed. This is about the types and generations of the